Now I'll be doing first character from the How to Train Your Dragon franchise. Here is Hiccup. He is one of the main cast members, of main characters. The son of Chief of Burke. In the first movie, he wishes to become a Viking, just like his father, slaying dragons. Though he was born with a pretty weak body. Always being made fun of and being forced to work in the blacksmith area. But at the beginning of the film, the first dragon he tries to kill, gets knocked out of the sky, a Night Fury, which he later releases from the net he captured it in. It goes back after it, after he lets it go, to find out it has a broken wing and tail fin. This ends up leading to him discovering that dragons are not all beastie, they have personalities too. Plus, he's the one who discovered that thing about dragons in this series being afraid of eels. And they don't only eat fish. Anyway, he proves that dragons aren't all bad. Ends up bringing Vikings and dragons together, well, the ones in his village. And he grows a lot for the series, befriending other Vikings on his age and forming his own band of dragon riders. He even got a couple sequels, although I've only seen the second sequel. How to Train Your Dragons 2, but I'll do them at a different day. Became a great leader, with a good heart. He always believes that he could bring peace between dragons and Vikings, if he could show them what he's discovered about them. By the way, if anyone forgets, Hiccup's dragon is the Night Fury Toothless. Anyway, I'll be doing some of the other Dragon Riders next, but this time it's just Hiccup. Oh well, see you later.